Have you ever come across that familiar bird sound often called the Pattanapravesham bird sound? It's a sound that feels nostalgic and calming, something you often hear early in the morning or during quiet evenings when nature is at peace. Many people first notice this call is in the background of the Malayalam movie Pattanapravesham, and since then the name Pattanapravesham bird became quite popular among listeners. But what's really interesting is that people identify these sounds differently. Some say it belongs to the Asian Koel, known for its sweet and continuous coo-oo song. A melodious that fills the air during the summer months. Other believes it's the voice of the red-wattled lapwing, a lively bird that makes a sharp "did you do it or peep it" call. Often heard near open fields and water bodies. The red-wattled lapwing call is quite distinct, loud, echoing, and alert, almost as if it's calling out to draw your attention. That's why many people, especially in local areas, associate these sounds with the Pattanapravesham bird sound. However, which bird it may be, the sound brings a sense of calm and connection to nature. It reminds us of quiet morning, gentle breezes, and the beauty of life outdoor. So next time you hear that Pattanapravesham bird sound, pause for a moment and listen closely. It could be the cheerful lapwing calling out or the soothing song of the Asian Koel. Either way, it's a nature speaking in its own beautiful language. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.